Say hi.
Hold on.
Oh yeah, I forgot about the border.
He's rusty at geography. He's rusty right now. So.
Those borders.
Going to the bridge. Say hi.
Hello.
Say hi.
Don't forget that you can't be filming on that. If you had your GoPro strapped, it would have been better, but you can't film.
Yeah, as if I learn, listen.
This is right there.
It's getting a bit wobbly, guys, so be careful.
What do you mean?
Try to sink.
Because we're getting closer to the center.
Yeah, that's right.
Fully to the center. The wobbler. Like 10 years ago,
You made it.
Yay.
You made it, guys.
What is the inside of it?
So far. All right. We're done.
The largest is very straight.
It's too dark.
I'm second year, bro.
Too dark. Never mind. Bye.